For today's trading, I have selected only one stock and that is Mahindra and Mahindra. As of now, I'm in short position in this stock on 840 and first partial profit I have booked on 835. So I'm waiting for another target that is 830 and then another target on 824. I will tell you why I have chosen this path for today's trading. So let me tell you the reason why I have selected this stock. First reason behind selecting this stock is its upward momentum in this stock on 5-minute chart and build up that was formed yesterday from 11:40 till the last candle of the previous day. So dominant pressure is buying, build up was formed at the upper level as compared to the previous swing low. So a better candidate for a buy call, and the market responded in the morning in the same way that I have expected. So when the first candle was formed on 9:15, I started waiting for retesting, and price came for retesting. And again, but let me zoom out. When this 940 and 945 candle was formed, I placed my limit order when on the high of 945. That is on 850.50. I have placed my limit order. Expectation is that the price will start moving up because uh, a build up, dominant pressure, and the initial moment of price retest, and again this kind of candlestick pattern was formed. So there are more confirmation that than expected. So I thought that expected movement of this price is up, but that is not happened because market had some other way to do with this share of today. So it started making lower highs. First high, second high, third high, fourth high, this is fifth high, sixth high. So I have got sixth lower high in 9 from 9 till 1 p.m. So when this high was formed and price has started testing this build-up zone again and again. So first time, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So as you know, it is a basic rule of a price action that when a level or a price is tested again and again, that level of price will become very weaker. That is what happened, and the market has followed and the same rule. This candle has broken the build-up zone where the buyers were there, but eventually buyers have square up their position and started their new position from selling. So I also put my limit order from cancelling from 851 to 8 I think 840. Yes, 840.50 I have got executed my order. So my initial expectation in this stock was for a long position, but that is not happening. So I changed my trading approach or my approach to this stock today because this stock has moved beyond my expectations. So for that, I chosen a very conservative approach to trade this because if I will avoid this, then opportunity will go. So either you will make loss or profit, but don't lose the opportunity. This is my actually the way of trading. I want to catch each and every opportunity. So there will be a different approach. So from buying to selling, when the signal is changed, approach should also be changed. Because of that, I have started booking partial profit over here because the dominant pressure is still the buying in this stock. So moment of this stock in downward is expected, but not that because buyers are still there in lower area. So first profit I have booked, second I will book on 830, and third I will book on 824, and I will place my stop loss on my cost price. If it will take U-turn, then I will be in the profit only. So this is the analysis part. I have also told you the reason, but as this stock was selected on that reason, but it is not performed on that. So that was the reason analysis. Conclusion that I am in the profit even if this stock will take U-turn from some point. And the lesson that I have learned from this trade today is that you must follow the market. You must follow the market and trade accordingly. That this is the lesson that was already taught this lesson by to me from market on the very first day when I started this kind of a module in my video. So the same thing, price has started giving hint that it may take U-turn. Because of that, this high tested, this low again, double top kind of pattern was formed. So this is the only stock that I will trade today, and now I have already told you that I will be in the profit. Small amount of profit I have booked, but that will be the actual result because sentiment has been changed rapidly. So it is better to keep away yourself from this kind of market. But still, I have taken position because opportunity will never be taken as granted. So I have taken opportunity and booked partial profit. So this is about today's trading, friends. Thank you. Keep trading. If you have some time, then keep watching this stock. Maybe it will give you a good lesson for learning purposes. And please like, share, and subscribe if you find my video good and helping you to learn the market. Thank you, guys. Bye.